In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a white border around your image in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your image on your timeline like this. And to go and actually add the border, we need to click on the shape tool in the left-hand panel, and then just simply go and draw a rectangle around your image like this. Now, once you've drawn your rectangle, we then need to come over to the effect controls in the left-hand side, click on the drop-down arrow next to your shape, scroll down to where it says fill, and make sure to uncheck this option. Then next to stroke, we're going to turn on and enable this, and we're going to change this from outer to inner, like so. And you also want to increase or decrease the stroke. So once you're happy with your white border, we can then go and select both the image and also the white border. And then we need to right click on both of these files and click on Nest. Click on OK. And now when I go and resize this image, you can see it also adjusts the white border. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.